so this recipe is going to be a really hearty, delicious lasagna soup. So for this recipe, what you're going to need, I'm using ground turkey. I'm not going to use 3 pounds. I'll probably use about half of that. And then ricotta cheese, a can of spinach, tomato paste. For my seasonings, I'm using garlic powder, Italian seasoning, garlic paste, onion powder, onion powder, seasoned salt, chicken broth, lasagna noodles. I'm going to break them up in a few pieces, 1 can of pasta sauce, some black pepper, gonna need some Monterey Jack cheese, triple cheddar, and some brown sugar, and a chopped up white onion. So first, I already put the avocado oil in our pot here. I'm gonna start heating that up till it's nice and warm, and then I will add the onions in there. I'm just gonna saute them a little bit until they're soft, and then I'm gonna add in my meat, and then we're just gonna get started. Hey friends, just so you know, today's video is in collab with some other cooking creators here on YouTube. It's called Lasagna Day 2023, and it is being hosted by Jim over at Jim's Kids Kitchen. And we have some of the same people have collabed before on like a chili recipe, and so that was really fun. So I hope you guys will check out some of the other videos. If you just go to the hashtag Lasagna Day 2023 that I'll put in the description box of the video, you should be able to find the other videos. And there will be a couple of things that I will tell you throughout the video that I didn't mention at the beginning, like red wine vinegar. I ended up adding red wine vinegar last minute to the onion mixture, just because I thought, at that time that it would be a good addition, and it definitely was. So just so you know. And then also, I did not end up using the canned spinach. Okay, so you saw that I browned up the ground turkey. I seasoned it with those seasonings, like the seasoned salt and the garlic powder. And then that's when we added the garlic paste to it. All of our other seasonings, you'll add a can of tomato paste, your jar of pasta sauce. And then actually you need 2 of these big cartons of chicken broth or beef broth, whichever you prefer. Even vegetable broth will work fine as well. And now this is how you're going to cook the noodles for the soup. So you're going to just take I think I used about 11, I'm going to say, noodles, and just broke them up into small pieces. You're going to add it to the pot, let it boil, and then it will cook for about 23 to about 30 minutes. Just let that simmer and cook down until the noodles are, al dente, or however you like them. And then, of course, as you can see here, I did go ahead and make some garlic breadsticks in the oven, just because you have to have some kind of garlic bread, in my opinion, when you're making lasagna or, lasagna soup in this case. Let's just make the ricotta topping, and this is what you'll put on top of your soup once you pour them into individual bowls. So it's just ricotta cheese, and then you'll put salt, pepper, Monterey Jack, and then some fresh Parmesan. And I think it just adds just a little kick to the soup mixture. And then I added more cheese to the pot, some more Monterey Jack, and then triple cheddar. And then when you make your own bowl, you can add more cheese on top if you like. Of course, that's what I prefer, but it is totally your choice. It's super delicious, very easy, very hearty, and it's a one-pot meal, and you can't beat it. It was definitely a hit in my house, so I'm definitely going to be making this again. I cannot wait till it gets like chilly outside. Y'all know how I feel about fall. And if you don't know, now you know. So go ahead and subscribe if you are new here. I cannot wait for more cooking videos.